They will never notice the exact moment you disappear because real power never announces itself. It leaves in silence, and when you begin your disappearance, it does not look like dominance. It looks like defeat, retreat, weakness, surrender. But in reality, it is the first and most dangerous move of the Machiavelli Rebirth Strategy, the psychological art of exiting the version of yourself the world has learned how to use, manipulate, predict, and control, because the truth is people do not own your body. They own your access to your time, your emotions, your reactions, your energy, your presence, your availability. And the moment that access is removed, that power collapses, because you cannot control what you cannot reach, and you cannot dominate what you no longer understand. So at first they relax, they think you lost, they think you cracked, they think you ran, they think you are finished. And this misunderstanding becomes your camouflage, because while they sleep you, begin the silent reconstruction of your identity, the phase no one claps for, no one documents, no one witnesses, where you tear down every weak structure in your life and rebuild it from the core. You audit your habits, your thoughts, your schedule, your addictions, your emotional triggers, your environment, the routines that trained you to be average, agreeable, distracted, reactive, dependent, and you begin eliminating everything that leaks your power, junk consumption, emotional dependency, random socializing, empty validation, people who feed on your old weakness, dopamine traps that keep your mind soft, and you replace them with structure, discipline, physical training, mental sharpening, strategic learning, because you finally understand that a new identity cannot be built inside the same system that destroyed the old one. So you withdraw socially, emotionally, psychologically. You speak less, explain less, react less. You stop oversharing your plans and start executing them. In silence, your mornings become surgical, your nights become protected, your phone becomes a tool, not a leash, your body becomes a weapon, not a burden, your mind becomes calm, cold, unhooked, not numb but controlled. And then the loneliness hits, because growth is a process of outgrowing everyone who only knew your weakness, and some will try to pull you back, provoke you, guilt you, remind you of who you used to be, not because they care, but because your evolution threatens their comfort. And you do not argue, you do not justify, you do not defend, you simply continue disappearing, because silence is not emptiness, silence is construction. Weeks pass, months pass, and something dangerous forms inside you. Clarity. You begin seeing through people, through emotional games, through manipulation, through fake urgency, because you learn the deepest law of power. Nothing important is ever urgent, and everything urgent is usually trying to control you. So your pace slows, becomes heavy, deliberate, calculated. Your decisions gain weight, your standards rise, your tolerance for nonsense collapses. You stop negotiating your self-respect. Your boundaries become invisible walls. And now the transformation becomes irreversible, because you are no longer trying to become someone else. You are removing everything that was never you, the fear, the doubt, the excuses, the people-pleasing, the emotional noise, the identity you inherited instead of chose. And in this emptiness, something terrifying grows: self-trust, the kind that moves without permission, the kind that executes without witnesses, the kind that does not beg for outcomes. And when that self-trust locks in, your presence changes. Your walk slows, your voice deepens, your eyes sharpen, your posture rises, not because you practice confidence, but because your nervous system has finally learned that you keep promises to yourself, and the brain respects only one thing: consistency. Then the return begins, not with announcements, not with dramatic posts, not with explanations, but with quiet presence. You re-enter the world differently. You speak less, but every word lands. You listen more, but see everything. People feel the shift before they understand it. Conversations shorten. Eye contact becomes heavier. Your energy stops leaking. Your time becomes expensive. And suddenly the same people who ignored you, dismissed you, underestimated you, begin orbiting your new gravity, because power always bends. Attention. But you do not rush to embrace them. You move with control, warmth, selective openness, strategic distance. You are no longer available for chaos. You do not participate in low-value loops. You do not explain your absence. You do not justify your growth. You let results speak, and the results speak loudly. Your work sharpens. Your income rises. Your options expand. Your circle shrinks. Your peace deepens. And the final shift locks in. You are no longer afraid of losing anyone, because you already lost yourself once and rebuilt from nothing. So attachment no longer controls you. Desire no longer destabilizes you. Fear no longer commands you. You move like a man who has died and returned with instructions. You do not chase recognition because recognition now chases you. You do not seek respect because respect forms your shadow. You do not need revenge because your evolution is a verdict. And the final stage of the Machiavelli Rebirth Strategy completes. The unrecognizable return, where you are still you but no longer accessible by the same weaknesses, the same triggers, the same manipulation, the same emotional leverage. They look at you and feel it. Something colder, calmer, heavier, controlled, deliberate, and they cannot name it, but they know one thing. The version of you they once knew is gone forever, replaced by someone who cannot be played, cannot be rushed, cannot be owned, cannot be shaken. And this is a real victory, not domination over others, but dominion over yourself. Because when a man controls his mind, his time, his habits, and his reactions, the world quietly rearranges around him. And by the time they understand what happened, you are already living a life they never saw coming, moving through reality with a different operating system, seeing 10 steps ahead, acting while others hesitate, building while others talk, and standing in a position of silent authority that no one can challenge because it was earned in darkness when no one was watching.